In the jungle, the mighty jungle. Facebook people went out to sleep. Come on, come. I can't wait till. Hi, JJ. I can't wait till 1 o'clock because I have things to do. I'm going to go up on the road. Yo, big up Gizzy. Hi, Shante. Hi, Cookie. Hi, Ava. I can't wait till 1 o'clock because I got things to do to call this man. Hi, Asari. I was there on Sunday. Big up Denny's over England. Ava, listen to me, right? So, just to give you all a little heads up. Yes, Steve, good wife. Big up, Ava. So, just to give you a little heads up, right? So, you see the message where Mr. Lloyd Horton sent to my inbox. What on Viva? So, if I tell you no, well, this Hi Essington, Anne-Marie, Abby, happy belated birthday. No, I'm not fulfilling the on what's going on. So, in my inbox, a young lady inboxed me with a photo of Mr. Lloyd Horton with his wife. And she said, this is her friend, husband. And I look at the picture that she sent me, and I look at the guy's Facebook profile picture. And then I went through his pictures, and this man don't have no picture of any wife, no girlfriend, no nothing. The only thing this man have on his Facebook cover photo is of his wife. So I have my house phone right here about to call Mr. Lloyd. So I need somebody to do me a favor because I did something stupid. I didn't look back at the number before I called. So actually, hold on. Let me look at my screenshot. Hold on, guys. Okay, so I got the number. Hold on. I'm hoping that it was a wrong number. I'm really hoping. I blocked my number. I guess Lloyd wants to see my house number.
Hello.
Hi, good morning. Is this Lloyd?
Yeah, good morning. This is Lloyd Horton.
Hi, you left a message in my inbox.
Okay.
Are you not sure? Am I not feeling special right now? Because I thought I was the only person that you're inboxing.
Yeah, come and say private number.
Yes, my name is Sashana. You inboxed me, said you wanted me to be your angel. Before I get into anything deep with you, are you married? Are you into a relationship or anything like that? Because I don't talk to married men. Hello? Yeah, I want to know, like, are you involved with anybody? Because I'm single and I don't like to accept messages, I don't like the drama. Hello? Me go call back light. Light I play games. Hold on them, my call back light. Come me go show on the light wife, when me done, Hold on. Me a call back light. Why does that take so long for ring? I love the foolishness.
I'm sorry, but the person you have...
Hold on, man. Let me dial back light number. 783-6870. Lad get nervous.
Hello?
Yeah, the phone break up just now.
Okay, yeah, the phone cut off. I was answering you, but
Yeah, so how are you?
hello?
Yeah, you can't hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you, but I don't know what happened.
The phone keep chipping in and out.
Yeah. Well, as I said, I'm involved with someone. I'm in a relationship.
Yeah, so why would you send me that message though? Because I'm here thinking, like something was going to happen.
Okay. By the way, in a message again.
You don't remember the message?
No, enlighten me.
All right. It says that you sent me a number and you said if I could text you or I could message you, and you would like to be with me. I'm your angel. I'm your dream. So you were just leading me on.
Wow, you sound like some kind of thing or something, you know?
Do you want me to hang up and call you from the number so you can see that I'm calling you from New York?
I don't have a problem with this thing, no calling from New York or whatever, but I don't think, right now, it's kind of different. Maybe back then, you send me message in this thing or whatever, but
You sent me the message last
no.
week.
No.
You sent the message last week on Facebook.
Okay. Well, that message. Alright, send it back to me. Let me see how I talk about them or something.
You want me to read it word for word what you send me? Your name is Lloyd Horton, right?
Yep,
Okay.
same one.
So you don't send messages to people on Facebook?
I sent my message a long time ago. I sent a couple messages a long time ago, but not recently, so I don't know about that. And honestly, I don't know what's better from.
So I'm going to ask you a question now. Are you with your woman? Because if you're with your woman, why would you even disrespect your woman in the first place to even think of messaging somebody?
Okay, look, my woman is not here. Okay?
Your woman is not there?
Yeah. No, she's not here in Jamaica with me.
Where she live in the States?
Yeah, I've not said. The thing is, me send me this single, but I'm not, right? So me send some message.
No, you never tell me you were single. No, you never tell me you were single. Or you just, you just send me the message and you nice me up and you entertain me and I like the words that you said in my inbox. So, you in Jamaica by yourself and your woman is here? She live here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay. You guys are married?
No. But hopefully.
Hopefully?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You have kids? Those are your kids on your Facebook page? You have nice kids.
Yeah, one daughter, but that's a long time picture. They are growing up now.
Okay, so where in Jamaica you live? I'm from Jamaica myself.
No,
But I'm now living in New York City.
No, that's nice.
Okay. So where in the States your woman is, she travel a lot? Or it was just, she used to live in Jamaica and she moved back here?
Yeah, I can call it so. Both.
Okay. Well, I hope things work out between you and her. I was hoping that me and you could have a relationship because I read your message and I was, surprised.
Okay, I get it.
You kind of lead me on, but it's okay. I'm heartbroken, but it's all right.
Yeah, let's go. What a life. Sometimes you get something you're doing.
But just keep in mind, you can't be messaging people like that, because people fall in love quickly.
Okay. Well, keep in mind, the thing, maybe the thing was there and then it just go out. Not true.
Oh, I said maybe it was there and then it... Okay.
As I said,
So how is the relationship with you and your girlfriend?
it's alright,
Okay. You wanna have kids together?
No.
Oh, planning on having kids?
Uh-huh.
Well, I'm 32 years old, but you sound like an older guy. Where in Jamaica you come from?
Well, I come from Kingston, Oswego.
Oh, you come from Kingston.
Yeah, well, I'll just put the thing going.
Alright, Lloyd, big up yourself here.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna message you back later on so you can know says me, yeah?
Alright, cool. That's so nothing. Go and do it, man.
Bless
That's
up.
right now,
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
When I listen to my man, Lloyd woman, they are foreign. Lloyd know what him is doing. But look how I'm going to send Lloyd the picture of him and him woman. Yeah. Lloyd so like him down at Jamaica plant yam and banana. You saw man wicked. You saw man bad. When you see the sweet, sweet message, him want me to be him angel. Me gonna send you the picture of Lloyd and him woman. I could wait till 1 o'clock for talk to Lloyd, cause Lloyd not no work. Lloyd a depend upon him woman in America for sort him out. Them don't even married. Yo. Me gonna put out the picture of Lloyd and him woman for about 5 minutes. When I look for Lloyd, I'm lucky him want watch my live. Me gonna put up Lloyd and him woman for about 5 minutes. Lloyd bad and wicked in I hope him woman in America see him and she say, don't get married to Lloyd. Lloyd uncle want him papers. So Lloyd can't stop plant dumping and banana. Don't give Lloyd no papers. Miss, listen to me. Don't give Lloyd no papers. I just used my house phone and call Lloyd. And everybody on Facebook can see Lloyd's phone number. 876-783-6870. Miss, call your man. Tell your man for come out a woman inbox. This don't look good for you, miss. Miss, that's how the money of Jamaica use and abuse, you know, miss. The man say you don't give him no youth yet. And you don't say I do to him yet. Miss, don't do it. Let this be a wake-up call to you, woman in America. Leave the man of Jamaica alone. If you leave him down there, you left him there with the next door neighbor. Do not send him a line, nor a letter, nor a 50-cent stamp. Things change. No, sister life hard. She never used to send the money come my yard. No, like that text me. Like, leave me alone. Boy, like that plant dumpling those stash. Alright, may I come off of this now? May I go put up Lloyd and him woman. And anybody know Lloyd woman? Tell her to take the next flight and go beat Lloyd. Later, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to put up the photo right now. Bye, I got things to do. I can't wait for Lloyd for 1 o'clock. Bye, guys. Nisha, go on back at work. Daddy, big up on yourself. Pauline, bye, Shante.